With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So here we have a question. We have to evaluate integral 1 over sine x minus a sine x minus b dx. Okay. So let's try to solve this. So first of all, I'm going to make a little change in my given integral. I'm going to divide it by sine b minus a, which is a constant obviously. And if we divide with this, we have to multiply with the same. So I'm multiplying it with the same and remaining thing as it is as per given in the question. Okay. Now, as you can see here, I can write my numerator. I'm writing my this constant as it is. And here my numerator, I can write this as this x minus a minus x minus b. Do you agree with that? Yeah, I can write this thing like that. Because if we solve this angle, then you will get this thing again. Okay, so I'm writing my denominator as it is. I'm not changing something in the denominator, so it is the same. Okay, now I'm going to open the formula for sine a minus b. I'm writing here the formula for sine a minus b, and it is nothing but sine a cos b minus cos a sine b. This is the simple formula we already know. I'm going to open this formula in the numerator here. Okay, so I can write this 1 over sine b minus a as d, and here I'm going to open the formula, so it will be sine x minus a cos x minus b minus cos x minus a sine x minus b, and complete dx, and in denominator it is the same, which is sine x minus a and sine x minus b. Okay, now here 1 over sine b minus a, I'm going to separate this terms in the numerator with the denominator, so it will be sine x minus a cos x minus b over sine x minus a sine x minus b dx minus integral cos x minus a sine x minus b dx over sine x minus a sine x minus b. Okay, now if you can see here, I can cancel out sine x minus a by sine x minus a, and here it is sine x minus b, and sine x minus b will cancel out. 1 over sine b minus a outside, and here it is integral of cot x minus b. As you can see here, cos x over sine x is cot x. Okay, minus integral of, here it is cos x over sine x, so it will be cot x minus a dx. Okay, now do we know the integration of cot x directly? Yeah, we can find the cot x integration directly. How? Just think about it. Cot x is the differentiation of what? This is the differentiation of what? So I'm telling you that this is the differentiation of log sine x minus b. Okay, why? Because if I assume that fx is this, then on differentiating both sides, it will be sine x minus b, and the differentiation of this will become cos x minus b, and this is nothing but my cot x minus b. Okay, understood? Now this is my differentiation. So cot x minus b is the differentiation for log sine x minus b. Okay, so now come here. So this is basically my integration. Integration is nothing but primitive. Primitive means it is the antiderivative, and antiderivative means, just think, this function is the differentiation for what, and that is the integration of this function. Okay, because the integration is the inverse, you can say, or anti of the differentiation. Okay, so I'm writing here, it will be sine b minus a as it is, and here this is the differentiation of log sine x minus b. That's why its integration is this, minus, similarly for this I can write log sine x minus a. Okay, and yeah, plus c, obviously, because it is integrating constant. Okay, now I hope you understood this thing. Now I'm going to write my final answer, which is nothing but my I equals to 1 over sine b minus a. If you want, you can write it as cosec b minus a. Okay, so here it will be log mod sine log a minus log b. I'm going to apply log a minus log b property, which is log a over b. So it is log a over b, which is sine x minus a plus c. And this is the final answer for my given question. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.